What is up, people? As you can tell from the title of this video, you know what we're going to do. I'm going to teach you how to take this button out a little bit easier than everyone makes it. And it's still going to be kind of hard and annoying, but you'll see. So right now, out of all of them, obviously it's always the volume and seek button for your radio, because you're always pressing those up and down, jamming out, you know, listening to Baby Shark and shit. So all you're gonna do is get some hooks and pins, and I will show you in just a second how to get these out. I've already replaced this one, so it's not as it used to be. It was not as bad as this one, but it was getting pretty bad. These ones are okay, so no issues there, but I will pop that out. But also, so I had to order this one. It's a 199994443. It's the volume button, just so we can get that. It's actual GM. Come on. But yeah, it's basically what it is right there. So I will show you in just a second and go get my hooks and stuff so we can pop that one out. Okay, so back again. These are what I'm talking about. You need a mini pick and hook. I've done it. I did it with this one already. That one. I went to Harbor Freight, and this is like $4, I want to say, or cheaper. It's not that much, so you just go buy it. But I used this one and that one, so that I used both of these to get them out. You know, I'll show you in a second, but get them out. And then I used this one to hold the back of the connector and pushed it in, held it in, and pushed it in to the button so it would stick in. So I will show you what I mean. So what we do is, if I can get in there. So yeah, it might be a little painful to see that too, but kind of. So right now it's in there. All I have to do is turn it if we can. Okay, sorry about that. I got the other one too, so I got both of the little hooks in. So you turn it, and then all you have to do is, oh my gosh, that one popped out. Okay, so turn it, and pull out. That's all you have to do. Super easy. So that one's nice. So what we'll do is, as you can see, it's super tight, and that's the whole issue. It's crazy. I don't know if you can see in there yet. Come on, focus. I hate this when it does that. But yeah, there's a little thing in there, little connector, which I'll pull out in a second. But be careful, that's the other part that sucks. And then let me see if I can get there. Okay, so I turn my light on. There's the piece, that little black thing right there. I'm trying to figure out which way. I think this is where it's super nice to have that pick. So yeah, we just gotta push that little black thing right there. You see with the ribs. Push that down with one of the hooks. This one's actually the real saver in the whole thing. It's this flat one. Come on, focus. Yeah, so it's this little flat one's gonna be a little nicer, but come on, there we go. Yeah, but I will get it out. It's a pain, but it's kind of hard to do with the camera and then that, but I'll get it out. So here it is, it's taking it out. So all you gotta do is push that little part right there, and it'll pop out. Here's the back of it. Get the other one. So here are the two buttons. Obviously, you can tell which one's new and which one's not. This one's a little bit grayer, and that one's darker gray. Here's the little connectors. Everything's the same. Get her all connected, make sure she works, and it'd be a lot nicer to have some newer buttons, or nicer buttons that don't let the low light through, because once I go to LED, I won't have a rubbed off button. So let's get it in. I'll show you how I held it. on my last one. So let's see. So what I did was always make sure, because in my last video I told you, make sure everything is connected or turned off, because I accidentally touched this hook on one of these connectors right there, and that's why it blew the fuse. Those little, you see them, they're on the side right there, those little tiny dots right there. Yeah, I touched it and that freaking blew the fuse, and it's dumb because you have to take this whole thing off and whatnot. So, but yeah, so what you do is you hook between the wires so you can pull it. So you pull it and hold it. You hold it and then put the button in. And this will give enough whatever. So we'll watch. So it's kind of hard to show you with holding the camera and holding this in. So I'm holding the thing so it puts pressure on the little connector, and so I'm holding it in there, and so I'm gonna basically just push the button into the connector while holding it. So all you gotta do is push it in while you're holding it, and that's how you connect it. But you just obviously gotta watch and see, get it lined up, and that's pretty much the hardest part, is just lining it up. And so let me get that in, because it's kind of hard to do with one hand. So hold on. Okay, so I got her in. So that's literally takes a couple seconds, because so it's in, it's connected. I can't pull it out anymore. Pop it back in. Make sure she's flush, which she is. And let me make sure it works. Hold on. Okay, so it does work. Changes all my stations, turns it up. Cool. Well, that's how you do it. It's super easy if you have this kit. If you have the hook kit, it's super easy. It's not that bad. It works. Everything works. So it's a lot better. Let me turn off the light. Okay. So yeah, everything's in now. It looks new, and I don't have to worry about the buttons looking all off and one's rubbed off, and definitely a lot better than this. For sure. Look at that. A lot better. Hoping this video helped you. Like, comment, it does a lot for me. Trying to make more videos. I got a couple more issues I'm trying to fix, and yeah, we'll get there and stuff. So, but like I said, like, share, comment. Let me know if this helped out. I know it helped me a lot just to figuring this out, but yeah, thanks for watching.